Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Unfortunately, in April month, we all directors of Majestic Pride Group, most of them we got COVID, we were infected by COVID. Some of us had to be in home isolation, some were required to be admitted in hospital. So during those 14-15 days, we saw this magnitude of this problem. So as in the first week of May, when we all resumed our duty, our first priority was that we have to do something for the people. So we hired about a team of about 19 doctors and specialists and about 45 nurses. And fortunately, when we put up this proposal, the CM of Goa was very, very positive.
And we have set up a COVID step-up center with all the HFNO, NIV, oxygen concentrator as well as cylinder at every bed. To the public, we are charging zero money. So this is under CSR activity of Majestic Pride Group.
हातून भितर at present 60 beds घाल्ले आसा and one of the best COVID center हे आमच्या गोंयांत जाल्लें आसा.
तर आयच्या दिसाक आमी जेन्ना तांणी येदो व्हडलो त्याग केलो, आमी एक ल्हानशी बॅट ह्या कोवीड दिसाक दिवपाक सोदता, कित्याक पॅन्डेमीक आहा जशें बाय हांवें सांगलां आनी लोकांक पावप आमचें कर्तव्य. We have to vaccinate everybody if we are going to save from the third wave.
कोविड ह्या गांवान मोर दॅन 60% आशिल्लें, तेंय आतां लेस जाल्लें आसा आनी हें सगळें करपाक आमकां सरान भरपूर हेल्प केल्लो आसा.
The Indian Navy, as an aid to civil administration in their fight against coronavirus, has instituted few measures in Vasco and South Goa. One of the prime initiatives by the Navy is setting up of this vaccination center, which will decongest the workload at the ongoing vaccination center, Ravindra Bhavan, which is run by the government. As of now, the center is undertaking vaccination of more than 45 years age group. Probably in a week or so, with the directives from government, we will be able to start vaccination for 18 to 45 as well. We request all the people of Vasco and South Goa utilize this facility so that we can join hands in the fight against corona.
इतले मजगती मडगांवच्या रोटरी क्लबान बाणावले कोविड केअर सेंटराक 10 ऑक्सिजन सिलिंडर दिले. ब्युरो रिपोर्ट, प्रुडंट.